This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It is $48 palette. It says, life is complicated, makeup shouldn't be. Amen. Amen to that. So this is the palette. Woo! Nice big mirror. And these are the shades. They're beautiful. Fantastic. Want to share this with me? Satisfying. Very satisfying. All right, we have all these colors. What shall we do? Let's go in with natural. Yep, we'll go in the natural. Let's try that first. Just with a fluffy luxe brush. I don't really sit and tell you the numbers and names of everything because everybody has so many different brushes and types of brushes that if any of you even are going to remotely do a look like I'm gonna do, chances of you having the same brushes as me are slim to probably none. So just tell you, it's a nice fluffy brush because you want to do your what do you call it, transition color or whatnot with the fluffy brush usually anyways. Just goes on nice and fills up that whole lid. Or I guess, yeah, that would be your, this is part of your lid, I don't know. I'm not the smartest tool. I'm just silly. Oh yeah. Even if I thought that everybody had the brushes I did, I would probably mess them up anyways, because then I'd be like, oh, let me get my glasses. But my contacts will be here soon. I had to get new ones because the older I get, the worse my eyes get. I can thank my mother for that, right? All right, so next we are going to go in with this color right here. It is called Soft and Sweet. That I'm just gonna kind of go right over what I just did. I always do both my eyes at the same time when I'm doing colors, because when I add so many colors, you want your eyes to be equal and the same. So I don't do like an entire eye and then go back and do the other eye, because I want to make sure that I put everything just the same, blend it out the same, so they all look, well, all of them. How many eyes do we have, right? So both of them are completely equal. I mean, if you do it that way, that's fine, but I don't have that kind of memory. I have a horrible memory, actually. But yeah, we will go in with, oh, let's do blushing, the one right next to it, right there. This one, I'm just going to do my crease. Actually, oh, let's see what happens. Yeah, I might change this. Yeah, I think I'll change it. I think I'm going to go a little darker, but might as well just finish putting it on. Oops. Blend it out, and then we'll put the one right next to it. It's a little darker, like this one right here. It's called Chai. It's like a darker maroon kind of. Let's see what happens when we put this on. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Because this is going to be a nice smoky eye. Which I know everybody's like, oh, I'm tired of smoky eyes. I'm tired of smoky eyes. But you know what? I think smoky eyes are timeless because they are just so beautiful. And you can change them up. I mean, smoky eye can be umpteen different colors. Like, you know what I mean? And they're just so sultry and sexy, I think. I mean, that's my opinion, but they really are. And guess what? It is nighttime, so Nothing wrong with being sultry and sexy at nighttime. Oh yeah, I like this. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm very impressed with this palette because the colors blend so amazing. There's no kickback in the pan. There's no fallout on my eyes. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, this ain't like my favorite palette for colors, even though I love them. They're beautiful, but it's not like when I look at it and go, oh my God, it has all my favorite beautiful colors in it. No, it's just like I said, it's a nice neutral kind of palette. But I'm going to tell you right now, it is going to be, I think, one of my favorite palettes to work with. If that makes any sense. Definitely easy to work with. And you have so many colors. So many colors to work with. Sorry, I'm just singing to myself because it is so quiet in here. And none of y'all got nothing to say, making me do all the talking. I'm just kidding. No. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. Oh, I should like this. Can't really see when I'm talking to the other audience, right? All right. Now we are going to do a little bit of the, let's see, I think we're gonna go, let's put this gray on first. And I think we're just going to put it like right here, maybe the first half to 3/4. And then we'll see what happens. Then we'll put some black on or something. See what this gray looks like though. I'm very curious. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Very, very pretty. I apologize for the lighting. I am doing all this makeup and I don't have my light. It's in my nail room because I was making nail videos. Oh, here's the fallout. Because my dumb butt didn't, well, isn't, you know, off. I can't even talk. I'm not patting the eyeshadow off, so now I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. No big deal. God, that's pretty. I do like that. But real quick, we're gonna dust a little of that off. Now, let's get back to this. And there's quite a bit of kickback in the pan too for this. The other colors, no. Maybe it's the darker you go, the more kickback and fallout you get, which is fine, like I said. I mean, if you use a lot of palettes, then you notice that it happens in a lot of palettes. I mean, it's only makeup. You can't, they can't always make them perfect, but I'd rather have them like this where they're easily blendable. They look gorgeous and everything else. I can take that kickback and fallout if I can work with it so easily like this. Yeah. Hail to the yeah. Right? That's what I'm saying. Okay. So we did that about 3/4 of the way across the lid. I'm just going to kind of bring it a little bit more because I'm just going to put that black, not the black, but the, we're going to go in with the coral. Let's try the coral. Yeah, there you go. Can you see? This one. Not the dark black, but like the, I guess it's a coal. Is that what you call it? The charcoal. I'm going with a little skinnier brush though. See if I can get a little less fallout. Because this is a black. Even though it's not the darkest black, it's still a black. You know what I mean? That's not always easy to get off. And I apologize if you can hear that. It is our Shih Tzu. She snores like a raging bull. That is no joke. I actually sleep with headphones on because I can't deal with her snoring. It's insanity. It's enough to drive a person insane. That it is. So, that's what all that ruckus is about. Okay, just kind of blending it up a little bit. Well, I'm gonna go in with the gray brush. And then I'm gonna add the gray to it. I'm gonna put the gray up into my crease like this. So we have a bit of a gradient effect. Now we go and try to blend this out. I really like this gray, I won't lie. And now Miss Olive is digging into her bed. Y'all want to see her? Olive, come here. Come here, pumpkin. Come here. Come here, Olive. Come here, baby. Come here, pumpkin pie. She is a hot mess right now. She needs a bath and a brush. Come here, baby girl. Come here. You want to see everybody? Next time, I will show you her. Say hello. No, you gotta look in the camera. Look. Oh, she's shy. She's camera shy. Well, it's okay, honey. Look. You gotta say hi. Hi, world. Say hello. My name is Olive, and I am a hot mess right now. My mommy needs to bathe me and brush me, huh? Okay, now you go. Keep your noise down. We're trying to make a video here, okay? I know. Here you go. Yeah, she's a little cutie patootie. Okay. Catch all this fall out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put a little bit of concealer probably on again. Okay, now a little bit, I don't want to say last but not least, because we're not quite there yet, but I will say let's put a little bit of this pink again. Sorry, I didn't let you see that very well. I'll put that right under here. Oops. Yeah. Then we will go in with this mauve color. It's called Chai. Just gonna put it halfway across. I don't want to close my eyes. Oh, you know, close them shut too much. If you just do it halfway, make sure you don't want to make it abrupt stop, but make it a little blendy stop, then it'll keep your eyes nice and open. Pulling dark colors all the way across like that is gonna enclose your eye more. Okay, now I'm gonna get off camera real quick and I'm gonna do my eyelashes because that can go either quick or it can go not so quick. So, 1 second. Well, real quick, I'm going to put these Tarte lashes on. And they are from the Tarteist, sorry, not Tarteist, Tarteist, and they are called Flirt. I'll put them on real quick. Okay, got my lashes on. Hope they look all right. They are big. They are definitely the Tarteist. All right, so this is my look. Hope you like it. Anyway, getting better, I think, looking at the camera. I think, just a little. But regardless, y'all have a great evening or morning or afternoon. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.